Hello students, today I will make the videos of this trigonometric ratio. This is from class 10, exercise 8.2, where you have to memorize this table to get the answers of those questions. And this table is very important because from this table, surely one question will be there from 8.2. Moreover, this table is also used in chapter 9, sometimes in chapter 10, and moreover in 11. So learning this table is very important for class 10 students and also in higher class. So the standard angles of the this table are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 and 90. As you can see, I have written here. Then in trigo, as you know, we learn this sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec. So it becomes very difficult for students to memorize all these values. So I'll give you an idea to learn this table, and you can make this during the exam and use it. So the first line is what we should memorize it, or first line is what we need to understand it properly. After that, the next line becomes very easy. So the first, you can see in the table, it is sine theta. So for sine theta, there are 5 values that you have to remember. First is sine 0 degree. Then sine 0 degree value, you remember like this, it is 0. It is 0. Then sine 90, next remember sine 90, it will make our work easy. So the next sine 90 is 1. So see, first is 0, last is 1. It makes our work more easy to memorize this. Then the next are 3 values that you have to know: 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So 30 degree, you memorize it like 1 by, this value is 1 by 2. 45 degree is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and 60 degree is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, like this. So first value 0, last value 1, and these 3 values are a bit different, so you have to learn it: 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. Now to know the next line. So next line is very easy. Once you are done with sine line, for next line we have to start writing from reverse order. So first we'll write the last value, that is 1. Then next we'll write root 3 by 2. Then we'll write 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Then we'll write 1 by 2, and then we'll write 0 degree. So see, once you know sine, cos becomes very easy because you have to write from reverse order. Now what about next? That is tan. So it is the third line, third value that I have to know. First value I have memorized like this: 0, 1, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. Cos line I have learned by writing it reverse. Now tan line means I will divide first line and second line. So if I divide 0 by 1, then 0 by 1 is 0, as you know, so it will be 0. Next here, if I divide these, then see the second and fourth, 2 will get cancelled. What is left? I have to write, so 1 by root 3 is left. Here root 2 will get cut, so 1 by 1. So in maths 1 by 1 is 1, so we'll write 1 only. Here root 3 2 cut, so we are left with root 3 by 1. But if you know, if denominator is 1, then we don't have to write, we can avoid it. So value is root 3. Now here, this what is new for, I think, for class 10 students. In maths we should never have divide by 0. If it is 1 by 0, then it's called not defined in maths. In short, I'll write ND. It's also called infinity. We can write infinity also in some textbook, but ND will do it for your textbook. 1 by 0, denominator should not be 0, so it's ND. So first memorize it, second reverse, third we got by dividing first and second. Now next is cot. So cot we will know as it is opposite of tan. So what we'll do is that again we'll write from reverse. See, I'm writing the reverse values. So see, once you know one, then the other is very easy. So we could learn the 4 values now: sine, cos, tan and cot value. Now how to learn cosec. So again opposite idea. So cosec is opposite of sine. So whatever values of sine are there, we have to reverse and write 0. Reciprocal it means. So 0 reciprocal is not possible. The 0 reciprocal will become ND. 0 reciprocal you can learn like this: 0 by 1. Now if you do 0 by 1 reverse, 1 by 0, like there. Here when it was 1 by 0, we wrote ND. Here also 1 by 0 will become ND. Now I have to write the reciprocal of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1, so it will become 2. Here 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2 by 1, then root 2 by 1 will become 2. 2 root 2. Then this is root 3 by 2, so this one will become 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 is 1. It's 1 by 1. 1 by 1 you do reciprocal, again you will get 1 only. So fifth line also done. Now sec line. How to write the sec line? We can write from again the opposite of the fifth line, cosec line. So it will become root 2, 2 and then ND. So this is how we can make the trigonometric table of all the standard value, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. I'll quickly rewind it. For sine, you have to remember the values. First is 0, last is 1, and the middle three value are 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. For cos, what you have to do, opposite I should say reverse of sine. So reverse of sine means from 90 degree first, then 60, then 45, and like that you have to write. For tan, what we do is that we divide first and second. Sine and cos will get divided. So 0 by 1 becomes 0. 2 to cut 1 by root 3. Similarly, we'll get the other value. How to write cot? It's reversed. From reverse, we'll write of 10. So nd root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, and 0. How to write cosec? The cosec is opposite of sine. In 8.1, when you do the exercise, we come to know that sine and cosec are reciprocal of each other. So cosec is reciprocal of sine theta. So 0 reciprocal nd, 1 by 2 reciprocal 2, 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1, which will write only root 2. Root 3 by 2 becomes 2 by root 3, and 1 by 1 is 1 only. Now how to write sec line? So for sec line, we write it from reverse, that is 1 we write first, root 3 by 2, root 2, 2, and then nd. So this is how we get the value of trigonometric ratio. Then from here, some more important things to know are there. Some multiple choice questions asked that I will just highlight it. For instance, one question will be asked like at what value of theta sine and cos are equal. So from the table, if you know the table, you can easily answer it. You can see in the table sine and cos are equal at one value, that is 45 degrees. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. So our answer will be 45 degree. At 45 degree, sine and cos are equal. Both their value are same, that is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Similarly, tan and cot are equal at 45 degree. They both the values are 1, and similarly cosec and sec. So cosec and sec are equal at which degree? 45 degree, that is root 2 and root 2. Next type of question that is asked from this table is that if we increase our degree, or if you start writing our degree from 0 onwards till 90, then how does sine behave? Whether increases or